All right, guys, so now we're going to look at an expression, but we're going to kind of start with modeling so you guys can see what happens when we combine those like terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and model it with some algebra tiles, and then we'll see what does that give me when I combine like terms. So here I have 2x squared, so I have 2 of these, okay, plus 5x, so 5 of these. Okay, plus 2. Okay, so that right there is the first part, and then I'm going to go ahead and model out the second part. So I have 10x squared, so I have 10 of those. All right, so there's 10. Okay, plus 4x, so 4 of those, plus 9. So you guys can visually start to see when we combine these, right, we can only combine things that look the same. And so let me finish these out. 8, 9. Okay. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is when I combine like terms, I say, okay, well, I have a group of x squareds here and I have a group of x squareds here. So how many do I have together? Well, I can just put them together, right? So instead of saying 2x squared and 10x squared, I can say that I have now 12x squared, right? Because all together I have 12 of them. And it's going to be the same thing with my x's. Instead of saying 5 here and 4 here, I can go ahead and put them together, okay, and say that all together I have 9x squared, or 9x, sorry. Okay, and then same thing with my numbers, right? So if I have 2 here and I have 9 there, all together, if I put them in one pile, I have 11. So notice all I'm really doing here is I'm just rearranging, right? Notice I didn't add any tiles, I didn't take away any tiles, right? I just literally combined to see how many total I have.